Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how you can link slides from one presentation into another presentation using Google Slides. The purpose for this is in case you are using the same content in multiple Google Slide presentations, you can simply copy the information and link it rather than having to type it. And that way it shows consistency between your files. So in this example here, I'm going to use the Activity Board 2 Google Slideshow as my master, and I am going to use Activity Board number 5 slideshow as the presentation that I want to update automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the slides that I need in my Activity Board number 5 file, which are going to be which is going to be slides 9, 10, 11, and 12. So here you can see that I highlighted them, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select copy. Now, when I go to my Activity Board 5 Google Slide file, I am going to go into the area where I want to update or paste. So I'm going to click here. Yep. Right here, I'm going to click where I want to paste my files or my slides. Right click, paste. And now I get prompted if I want to link my slides. So I do want to link my slides. So I click that option, and you can see here on the right side that I have a link icon with a drop-down arrow. The drop-down arrow will allow you to have the option later on if you want to unlink it. So each of my slides that I just copied in, as you can see, has that link icon on the slide at the top right corner. Now, if I make an update, now if I go back to my Activity Board number 2, and let's just say here, I make an update. Okay, I made an update to this slide, and I want this slide content to be updated in my Activity 5 presentation. So you can see here, it already knows that there was an update to the master because I'm getting prompted here in the top right corner with an update button. So it automatically knows that there was an update applied to this slide in Activity 2 and that I need to update this slide. So if I want to update it, I just refresh and I hit update, and there's my content. And that's an easier way and a quicker way to update your slides if you are copying slides from one presentation into the next. I hope you found this screencast helpful.